Hello everybody, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm the live streamer Caitlin. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts. Today, we would like to share with you one of our control valve, this one. Let's see it together, okay? And for this product, as you can see, the first check the outside packages, this blue VCI and DROL specs. And here this is the product SQ and also with the product code F00VC01380. And for the logo, label, the packages, etc. So about other details, we support customized service. So any of the customers have such demand, please feel free to contact us, and then I will open it to check the inside product for you. Wow, take a look. This one is the transparent bottles. As you can see, this is very hard. It can be better avoid some damages during the transportation, and you can open it in this way. That's the oil paper to wrap it up. That's the whole side. Actually, not only selling the whole side, we also selling the separate one. Such as this kind of valve cap. If you look carefully, you will find on the surface is printed with the product code and with the cutting figures here. That's the valve rod. For our product, we have the quality guaranteed. Each product we supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, annual customers will receive the packages. If you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it, or it's okay. And also, here Caitlin has 3 tips I'd like to share with you. The first tip is clean it with oil, don't clean it with the water. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. And the third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Okay, so much for the introductions. At last, if you still have other questions, please make comments below these videos and follow us at our YouTube or the Facebook account. And also, you can choose one way, feel free to contact us because we have the WhatsApp, the phone numbers, the email address, and our own website. Waiting for our news. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. I really appreciate it. Let's see you next time. Bye bye.